Hey everyone! We will talk about the XLOOKUP function in Google Sheets. XLOOKUP is a powerful lookup function that is used to find a value in one list and get a matching value from another. It's easier to use and more flexible, and we can customize the error message when there's no matching result. So in here, we have a table of products. Each has an ID, price, and its name. Just like VLOOKUP, we use a search key to retrieve the corresponding result from a data range. Let's use product ID as search key to retrieve the product name. ID is P001. And first, we put a search key. The lookup range is the product ID column. The result range will be the product name. That's what we want to retrieve. For missing value, let's customize it to checked. It will be shown when there's no matching result. The match mode we use 0 for exact match. For search mode, we use 1 to search at the first item from top. We can use -1 to search from the last item. And P001 is notebook. P002, pen. P005, socks. And we can search in the reverse direction from the data. Let's use product name to search for product ID. We search pen and XLOOKUP. Search key is pen, key range, then the result range, which is product ID. We use the word check for error message. Exact match, search from the first item, and we get P002. For socks, P005. Water bottle, P006. If we have two items with same product name, search mode 1 will return the first item, P003. If we use -1 for the search mode, it will search from the last item. It will be P005. In this table, we can use XLOOKUP to search results vertically. We use product ID as key to retrieve the name. We select the key range, then the result range. Check. Exact match. And searching from the first item, just like that. We can use Nest XLOOKUP to do a two-way search in vertical and horizontal. Let's say we have a sales table here. We want to retrieve the Q2 sales of coffee mug. The first XLOOKUP will be using coffee mug as search key. Then we choose the search range. For the search result, we put another XLOOKUP formula and use Q2 as the search key. Then we select the lookup range. For result range, we will choose the sales amount. Check is our error message. Exact match and search from the first item is 440. And that's correct. If we change the parameter to Q3, 427. For water bottle, socks, okay, it works. Alright, so this is the XLOOKUP function in Google Sheets.